While the passage of time inevitably takes its toll on our eyesight, it's crucial to recognize that various lifestyle choices play a pivotal role in shaping the trajectory of our vision. From adopting a nourishing diet to practicing mindful screen time, there exists a spectrum of actions we can integrate into our lives to enhance and safeguard our eyesight. In this video, we will delve into a selection of the finest foods proven to bolster eye health and sharpen our vision. Join us as we unveil the top 10 foods seamlessly incorporable into our daily diets, each wielding the potential to contribute significantly to the well-being of our eyes. Together, let's explore the nutritional treasures that not only serve our taste buds but also serve as allies in the ongoing quest for clearer, healthier vision. Here are the top 10 foods that protect eyes and repair vision that we can include in our diet easily and regularly. 1. Carrots. Carrots are renowned for their eye-friendly nutrient, beta-carotene. This compound is converted into vitamin A in the body, a crucial component for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A plays a pivotal role in the functioning of the retina, supporting the conversion of light into nerve signals that are transmitted to the brain, facilitating optimal vision, especially in low-light conditions. Regular consumption of carrots may contribute to overall eye health and help prevent conditions like night blindness. 2. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two essential antioxidants for eye health. These compounds are concentrated in the retina and macula, where they help protect against harmful high-energy light waves, such as ultraviolet rays. By acting as natural filters, lutein and zeaxanthin contribute to shielding the eyes from oxidative stress and may play a role in preventing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. 3. Sweet potatoes. Similar to carrots, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining healthy eyesight by supporting the production of rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment in the eyes. Adequate levels of beta-carotene from foods like sweet potatoes contribute to maintaining optimal vision, particularly in low-light conditions, and may help prevent conditions related to vitamin A deficiency. 4. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA. These fatty acids are integral components of cell membranes in the eyes, contributing to their structural support. DHA, in particular, is found in high concentrations in the retina, where it helps maintain cell integrity and supports overall eye health. Regular consumption of salmon may contribute to reducing the risk of conditions like dry eyes and AMD. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content and like the video because this will help the video spread more. 5. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-rich food containing lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, all of which are beneficial for eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin, present in the yolk, contribute to protecting the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves. Additionally, zinc is essential for the proper functioning of enzymes in the retina and plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the eye's vascular system. 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give these berries their vibrant color. Anthocyanins have been associated with various health benefits, including potential protective effects for the eyes. These antioxidants may help prevent oxidative damage to the retina, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other vision-related issues. Including blueberries in your diet provides a tasty way to support overall eye health and maintain visual acuity. 7. Almonds. Almonds are a nutrient-dense nut that is high in vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant. Vitamin E plays a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative stress, including those in the eyes. As an antioxidant, vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of cellular damage. Regular consumption of almonds may contribute to maintaining the health of eye tissues and supporting overall eye function. 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains a combination of eye-friendly nutrients, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C. Lutein and zeaxanthin contribute to the prevention of oxidative damage to the eyes, while vitamin C supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Including broccoli in your diet provides a wholesome way to obtain these essential nutrients, promoting optimal eye health. 9. Oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits are rich sources of vitamin C, a water-soluble antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Adequate vitamin C intake may contribute to reducing the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other eye conditions. Including oranges in your diet not only supports overall health but also provides a tasty way to ensure your eyes receive essential nutrients. 10. Turkey. Turkey is a good dietary source of zinc, a trace mineral that is essential for maintaining the health of the retina. Zinc is a component of many enzymes involved in various processes in the eyes, including the conversion of vitamin A into rhodopsin, a light-sensitive pigment. Ensuring an adequate intake of zinc through foods like turkey may contribute to preventing conditions such as night blindness and promoting overall eye health. Some tips to protect the eyes and improve vision. Shield your eyes from the sun. Wear sunglasses that block 99 to 100% of UVA and UVB rays, even on cloudy days. Mind the screens. Take breaks from digital screens every 20 minutes. Following the 20-20-20 rule, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Adjust screen brightness and distance for comfort. Wear protective eyewear. Use safety glasses or goggles during sports, yard work, DIY projects, and exposure to chemicals or fumes. Fuel your eyes with nutrients. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, especially leafy greens, and omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish. Give your eyes a break. Get enough sleep, 7 to 8 hours for adults, and avoid smoking, which can damage eye health. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves blood flow, benefiting your eyes as well. Regular eye exams. Schedule regular comprehensive eye exams with your ophthalmologist, especially if you have a family history of eye disease or experience any vision changes. Incorporating these diverse and nutrient-rich foods into your diet provides a holistic approach to supporting and maintaining eye health. Remember that a balanced and varied diet, along with other healthy lifestyle choices, contributes to overall well-being, including the health of your eyes. If you have specific concerns about your vision, it is advisable to consult with an eye care professional for personalized guidance. At the end of this video, subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and put a like on the video because this will make this video spread to the largest number of people who need help.